This is the diagram of human digestive system. In this diagram, you see this part is mouth from which we take food. This is salivary gland. Salivary gland is of three pairs. This salivary gland secretes saliva. This saliva contains salivary amylase, a digestive enzyme, which helps to digest the carbohydrate present in food. Salivary amylase converts a starch into maltose. This one is esophagus. The other name of esophagus is food pipe. Here there is no any digestion take place. Food does not stop in between them. Now the food comes into stomach. A stomach is bladder-like. Here gastric juice is present. Gastric juice contains uric acid, some enzymes, that is pepsin, renin, lipase, etc. Now, after digestion in the stomach, it goes into the small intestine. This one is a small intestine. The upper part of a small intestine is duodenum. In duodenum, two juices comes. Bile juices from liver. This one is liver. This is the largest gland of our body. It contains gallbladder. Gallbladder contains bile juice. This bile juice comes into the duodenum. And pancreas also secretes pancreatic juice. Pancreas also secretes pancreatic juice. This juice also comes into duodenum and digests the food. In pancreatic juice, different kinds of enzymes are found, that is trypsin, which converts protein into peptone, and proteases. Lipase is that enzyme which converts fat into fatty acid and glycerol. After that, food comes into the ileum, that is lower part of a small intestine. Here also digestion takes place with the help of enzymes. After that, when the digestion is completed in the small intestine, it is absorbed by villi present in a small intestine. After that, this juice, this digestive part goes into the blood directly, and by blood these nutrients are carried to whole parts of our body. After that, undigested food present in the small intestine goes into the large intestine. This one is large intestine. You know, a small intestine is the largest part of our alimentary canal. And after digestion in the small intestine, the undigested food goes into the large intestine. In large intestine, water is absorbed and undigested food is stored in the rectum. After that, this undigested food is passed out through the anus, present in alimentary canal. So the lower part of alimentary canal is anus. This is all about our digestive system. See it and remember different parts of it. Students, in this figure, you will see about a cow digesting its food in two steps. These cows or grass-eating animals are called ruminants. They are called ruminants. Why they are called ruminants? Because they have a special type of stomach. They have these cows, these animals have a special type of stomach. So they are called ruminants. The first in case of cow or any other animal, it has in a stomach of cow there are 4 chambers. First chamber is called rumen. When a cow takes its food, then it swallows the food without chewing. It goes into the first chamber that is called rumen. Rumen is the first chamber of grazing animal, and after that it comes back again into the mouth. This half chewing food is called cud. So this after when it comes back into the mouth, then it again comes into the second chamber, third chamber, and fourth chamber, and so on. So this kind of animals are called ruminants. In ruminants, food, half digested food, comes second time into the mouth, and so they are called ruminants. This type of digestion take place in animals or grazing animals like cow, buffalo, deer. It is. Thank you.